Hey guys, welcome back to the Project DIY channel. On today's project, we're going to put some landscape lights across the front of our house. Let's get started. So one thing that we've wanted for a while is put some landscape lights across the front of our house. And today we're going to try to get that done. Now hopefully the weather will cooperate. Probably from the microphone you can hear that the wind is blowing and it's pretty chilly and the sky is gray, so hopefully it doesn't rain. Now the lights I'm going to be putting up are from a company called Lumary. They sent me these lights to try out, and there are 6 lights in this kit, and the cable is 65 feet long, so that should fit all the way across the front of our house. So I'm going to open this up and see what we got in here. A user's manual, stakes to go in the ground to mount the lights on. We have a power supply and a power cable that goes to the first run of lights. And then it looks like we have 6 lights in here. These are LED can lights. They are adjustable, and these can be strung together. They kind of go daisy chained in series. And we also have a remote control, and you provide your own batteries. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to string these lights out, and we're going to go around the front of the porch, go underneath the steps, come out the other side, go around, and that'll give us 3 lights on each side. We'll evenly space these lights out. And I don't have a power source right here right now. If this works out good, I will run some electric over here and put in an outlet to plug these into. But for the time being, I'm going to run an extension cord. I've got another outlet over here on the side of the porch, and we'll run an extension cord over here just to see how they look. Now, these seem like pretty nice lights, and I'll put a link in the description where you can buy them if you want to set. So let's get these strung out here so we can see what we're working with. Couple things to note. Now these connectors are waterproof. These outside rings slide up and you screw those tight. And they do seal them up. The lights themselves are also waterproof. And they say 65 feet long. They are 65 feet, including the power cord. The actual length of the lights themselves are probably about 50, maybe 45, 50 feet long. That's from the end of one light to the other end of the last light. All right, I'm going to start off here in the middle, and I'm going to center this cable underneath my step. That way I can get each of these lights centered on each side of the steps, and that will kind of set where the rest of the lights go. Are you out here to help me, Griffey? Griffey, are you gonna help? Are you helping? Keeping guard while I'm doing this? I did get those centered around under the steps. Had to take my steps apart to be able to get the cable in behind, because I didn't want to step on this step, smash the cable, cause an issue. So I kind of got the lights centered on either side of the step. And then these, we will kind of figure out as we go. We'll string them out, both sides, and we'll put them where they fall at pretty much. I'm kind of limited to the length of the cable that's between them, so they'll just kind of have to go where they go. So each one of these stakes that comes with the lights has a thumb screw that's threaded in the top, and the stand for the light has a hole in the bottom. So you just mount the light on top of the stake using the thumb screw, and that's what it looks like when you get done. And it is aimable. Hello. How are you? You're supposed to say like, share, and subscribe.
Like, share, and subscribe. And that's on here.
All right, kind of got these mounted where I want them. Shining up toward the house a little bit. One back in there. One right here. Now I probably could have used another light here, and the same thing on the other end. They're not quite long enough to reach all the way across, and I may check and see if it's possible to get a by just a single light with the cable. Got them hooked up. Can't really see them right now, it's too much light out here, but we'll come back after dark and take a look. Had a little bit of trouble getting the app to connect, but was able to get it to work. I think it could be the fact that I have a 5G Wi-Fi signal here, and I think these only connect to 2.4G Wi-Fi, so that may have been an issue. So the user's manual is pretty good. It has pictures, which is always a good thing for me. I like pictures, but there's a whole lot of things you can do with this. Setting up multiple sets of lights in one app, group control I think they call it, but works pretty good. I'm impressed. Now there are two versions of this. The one I'm installing in front is the Pro, and this is the standard. That's what Lumary calls them. The difference is the length. The Pro is 65, the standard is 56, and also the Pro is 36 watts. And I'm not sure what the standard set is, but I don't think it's quite as bright. And both of these also work with Alexa and Google Home. Installed the second smaller set around my pool. And these install the same way as the Pro set does. Overall, I'm very pleased with these. The case is metal, the stake is metal, so they're not going to break on you like I've seen some other plastic ones do. They are RGB, so your colors are pretty much infinite. You can choose whatever you want right inside the app. All right, guys, there you go. And I'm not sure if you can tell in the video or not, but these are orange. It is Halloween-ish, fall time of the year. Here are the pool lights. Looks pretty cool. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this one. I appreciate you watching. I want to thank Lumary for providing the lights. If you guys would like your own set of lights, there will be a link in the description. Like, share, and subscribe. And once again, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.